The air is almost clear from the last running of the car. We're going to set this friendly little camera down, pointed at the source of the smoke, which I've got a little jar there to capture it, because I'm fairly certain it's oil getting through there. And now we're going to start the car, which is a death trap. And at low RPMs, it doesn't make too much smoke, but it does get kind of nauseous. But if you mash on the gas, you get really good. Here's a running little car. Yeah, and that was just a few seconds, and there's like a cloud rolling in. It's kind of obnoxious. But yeah, that's it. Sorry. We make lots of smoke. It's a smoke monster.
The smoke monster is here. It's coming to get you.